Yes, start. In Mrs. So and so versus Union of India within bracket 2017 3 SCC 458, the pregnancy of the petitioner had continued up to 22 weeks when the fetus had diagnosed as suffering from bilateral renal agenesis stop. The medical board reported that there was risk of fetal death oblique stillbirth, no chance of long-term post-natal survival, and that there was no curative treatment available for bilateral agenesis stop. The Supreme Court observed thus stop para. We have already wide order dated 16/1/2017 Meera Santosh Pal versus Union of India within bracket 2017 3 SCC 462 upheld the right of a mother to preserve her life in view of foreseeable danger in case the pregnancy is allowed to run its full course stop. This court in that case relied upon S. Srivastav versus Chandigarh administration, where a bench of 3 judges held bracket start SCC para 15 para 22 bracket close 22 stop. A woman's right to make reproductive choices is also a dimension of personal liberty as understood under Article 21 of the Constitution para. In these circumstances, we find that the right of bodily integrity calls for a permission to allow her to terminate her pregnancy stop. The report of the medical board clearly warrants the inference that the continuance of the pregnancy involves the risk to the life of the petitioner and a possible grave injury to her physical or mental health as required by section 3 within bracket 2 within bracket I of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 stop. It may be noted that section 5 of the act enables termination of pregnancy where an opinion, if formed by not less than 2 medical practitioners, in a case where opinion is for the termination of such pregnancy is immediately necessary to save the life of the pregnant woman para. Though the current pregnancy of the petitioner is about 24 weeks and endangers the life and the death of the fetus outside the womb is inevitable, we consider it appropriate to permit the petitioner to undergo termination of her pregnancy under the provisions of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 stop. We order accordingly para. Looking to the judgments of the Supreme Court cited herein above and in the facts and circumstances of the case including inter alia the report of the medical board constituted by the director AIIMS, we are of the view that the prayer of the petitioner deserves to be allowed stop. Accordingly, the petitioner is permitted to have her pregnancy terminated without any further delay stop. We express our appreciation for the assistance rendered to the court by the director AIIMS as well as the medical board constituted by him, who approached the matter with the urgency it deserved para. The writ petition stands allowed in the above terms stop. Exemption allowed subject to all just exceptions stop. The application is disposed of full stop. The appellant has filed this appeal against impugned interim order dated 3rd July 2020 passed in WP within bracket C 3784/2020, whereby the learned single judge has not been inclined to grant interim relief to the appellant bracket start original petitioner bracket close stop. The contract in question was awarded to this appellant bracket start original petitioner bracket close for manpower supply, which was entered into on 14th April 2020 stop. As per terms of the contract, a performance bank guarantee of 5,08,297 was to be submitted by this appellant within a period of 15 days from the date of contract, that is on or before 30th April 2020 stop. An application for extension of time to submit the performance bank guarantee was also preferred by this appellant, which was granted by the respondents stop. Even within the extended time limit, this appellant failed to submit the performance bank guarantee stop. Similarly, this appellant failed in making the payment of salary for the month of May 2020 to the workers stop. Consequently, for these two grounds, the contract was cancelled on 16th June 2020 stop. Over.